Hello again, everyone. I'm Fred Sed, your Orange County short sale specialist. Welcome back today. First off, I want to congratulate you and say thank you for coming back and watching our videos, because if you are, either yourself or a family member or somebody you actually might know might be going to a foreclosure process. There's a lot of hard things going on in our economy today, and one of the big things are homeowners can't make their payments. We've talked about it in the past. They might have an adjustable rate mortgage, lost their job, whatever the case might be. They can't pay their house payment. They're losing their homes to foreclosure. The one thing they cherish, one of the most things they cherish in the world, is their home, and now they're losing it. And the one thing that can help them and avoid the foreclosure process and make it less painful, far less painful, is the short sale process. So once again, thank you for coming today. I hope you watch the rest of this video because it's very informing, and I'm sure that you know somebody in your life right now that can use our services and help them save their future. So with that said, let's talk about the subjects for today. First one would be is if a homeowner can short sell the property themselves. The answer is no. That's illegal. A homeowner or their friends or their family cannot assist them with the short sale process. They must hire a broker just like ourselves, we're a short sale specialist, to do this process for them. There's a rule that there's got to be an arm's length transaction, meaning just what I said. Neither the person themselves or a friend or family member can short sale their property for them. A bank approves a short sale because there's a legitimate financial hardship. And if a bank feels that the homeowner is profiting in any way, they will cease the short sale process and have the foreclosure process continue, and they can no longer attempt a short sale, and they lose their home, get a foreclosure on their credit, and that's pretty much end of story. So with that said, on to the next subject of if a homeowner can walk down to their local bank or talk to their local mortgage broker and see if they can reduce the balance to approve a short sale. It's not going to happen. It's not like the old days where you could just walk into the bank, talk to your banker about everything as far as your finances go. Not anymore. What's going to happen now is once you get your mortgage, majority of the time is bundled up with a lot of other mortgages, and it's sold off to investors or other banks. And sometimes the person you're paying your mortgage to, your payments, they're not the ones that are actually your bank and your mortgage holder. They're just paid to actually service the loan and take care of you and accept your payments. And that's pretty much it with that. So with that said, once the foreclosure process continues or begins, it's handed off to a loss mitigation department like we talked about, or a separate third-party loss mitigation company. They're the ones that handle loans that are in default, and they're the ones that contact you like a collection company if you haven't made your payment. They'll call you and call you and call you, and they might be able to settle with you, and if you could pay this payment up to this point, you won't owe this much. That's just for example, by the way. That's what a loss mitigation does, and they try to continue to collect the loss. But also, when it comes to the short sale process, they're the ones that negotiate with us as brokers and our negotiators that are involved in our company to reduce the mortgage balance and to approve a short sale. And then obviously there's a hardship that has to be present. We've talked about a financial hardship and what that means. We have before, and we will continue to do that in future videos as well. So, can you walk down to the bank or mortgage broker and reduce it? The answer is no, it's not going to happen. The reason we're here is we do that for you. We know who to talk to. We know what banks to talk to, what departments to talk to, and how to handle these situations, and how to reduce hundreds of thousands of dollars off your mortgage balance and approve a short sale to go through. So if you feel that this is what you're going through, this is what your friends are going through or your family members are going through, please give us a call, because there's not a lot of people that know about this process. They're just letting their homes go into foreclosure, they're walking away, and they're ruining the next 10 years of their life. And it's proven fact that if you get a foreclosure on your credit, you probably can't buy a house for the next 5 to 7 years minimum. But if you short sale your house, there's a good chance, a very, very good chance, you could buy a home within the next 2 years. Drastic difference. It could be life-changing. So, like I mentioned, if you have any questions, give us a call, or if you feel this might work for you, give us a call as well. It's a few simple questions. If you qualify, it will change your life. If you don't qualify, we will be happy to guide you in the right direction, and we'll talk from there. So our direct line is area code 949-274-3733, and our website is www.pgcoastal.com. Thank you again for joining us. Have a great day. God bless, and I'll talk to you soon.